code-genie.ai, AI machine learning and deep learning. When AI launched in the 1950s, the objective then, and now, was to create computers that can perform human-related tasks which require intelligence under normal circumstances. At the time, AI researchers focused on solving logic problems by looking at simple problems like playing checkers. For example, if you are playing checkers against a computer, you will notice that there is some level of artificial intelligence behind the moves of the computer game that can make the computer defeat you. Early successes with these systems generated interest in AI concerning its potentials. However, what the researchers were doing at the time focused on narrow AI because they were simply focusing on the computer's output. In other words, provided the computer was performing something intelligent, it was deemed intelligent. This AI view does not specify how the problem is getting solved. For example, a computer can use various techniques such as a rule-based approach or expert systems to arrive at the output. This approach, which mostly utilized hard-coded logic, proved challenging. That McCarthy, developer of the Lisp programming language, acknowledged that it would take 500 years for a breakthrough in AI to be realized. This approach was not feasible because hard-coded algorithms based on rule-based or expert systems cannot work for most problems requiring unique human intelligence like natural language processing, NLP, or facial recognition. Machine learning, ML, emerged in the 1980s as a natural solution to hard-coded algorithms. In this regard, machine learning is an AI that mimics human intelligence and mimics how human beings learn. Machine learning builds computer systems that learn from data and improve their performance based on that learning. AI developers often combine other AI capabilities with machine learning in different projects. Machine learning trains computers by using one or more of the following tools. Please click the subscribe button below if you enjoyed this video. Visit us at code-genie.ai.